Your media lives everywhere, on tapes, drives, servers, and in the cloud. Sometimes you need a little extra help getting it into Moments Lab for AI enrichment and discoverability. This is where the Moments Gateway comes in. It's the bridge between where your media lives and where your creativity happens. The gateway scans your on-prem files and folders, creates lightweight proxies, and syncs selected content to Moments Lab in the cloud. Your high-res masters stay right where they are. For media already in the cloud, the gateway simply connects your existing storage to Moments Lab. MXT Multimodal AI then makes every moment instantly searchable, discoverable, and ready to use. Featuring semantic search that understands meaning, not just keywords, and the discovery agent that lets you prompt your media library and explore content ideas just like you'd brainstorm with a teammate. So don't worry about the countless places your content lives. Just focus on the creative work that truly matters. Moments Gateway turns every tape, drive, and server into one intelligent, connected library. It's your media connected and your stories unlocked.